Hey, what's happening, guys? So today I'm going to show you how you can do a free t-shirt mockup using a free software and using a free template for your t-shirts, high quality. And I'm going to tell you where you can use it and how, and I'm going to show you how I added distress and how I made this design, edited, and I did my t-shirt mockup so I can display it on my store on social media. Again, everything is 100% free. So make sure you stick around and like this video if you like it, and yeah, subscribe too. So let's start with the video. So the first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna select our trendy template, and we're gonna go to the list up here and click on template number 7. And here's a really cool graphic for a t-shirt, a black one. And this one is just a file from the template, so you cannot alter or edit this file. However, let me show you a trick. You select the image, right click on the mouse and select copy image. Now get rid of this and then click Ctrl and V, and it will paste a copy of that file. Now you can remove the background from this image. So that's exactly what we're gonna do. We're gonna go to the color remover tool here on the right side, click on the color picker, select the color that we wish to remove, which in this occasion is the black color. So first we're gonna go easy and remove. If we need to remove more, then we can select and remove more, but I think that's good. All right, so just to be sure, we're gonna change the frame black and see what we have. Now before you do your mockup, here you can use the color picker to select many different colors on how your shirt is gonna look like on different colors. So let's say you're gonna do a navy blue t-shirt or a blue one, sky blue, green, yellow. I mean, there's a lot of options here that you can check out, but we're gonna stick with plain white. So now we're gonna add some distress like paint effect, and I'm gonna show you how I do that. So the first thing we're gonna do is go to Google and just select and type in distress effect PNG. Now it has to be a PNG because if not, it's not gonna work perfect. So now we're gonna look for one that has a really nice distress look. Just go moderate, do not add a lot of distress, just add like very simple distress. You don't have to add like crazy distress. And let's see if this one is enough, but I think I'm gonna go for maybe one of this right here. If not, we can select a totally different one, but I think this one, it's close. However, that's not a PNG. You can still remove the background if you don't get what you want, but you can find one that's close to what you want. So let's select this one, and they do not have the background removed. Let's check out this one. Okay, I think I found one, so I'm gonna go ahead and click copy. So I'm gonna copy image, go to my software, and then Control and V, and there's the distress PNG. Now I'm gonna make this bigger. However, it's not as big as I thought, but we're gonna rotate this 90 degrees, so no problem. So we're gonna make sure before we trim this distress on our PNG, we're gonna make sure to do a copy image. So copy image, okay, and then click on trim, and there's your distress. Now let's do again, and we're gonna make this big again all the way and rotate this 90 degrees, and we're gonna do the same but on this side. So make sure it's not the same as the other side, so maybe there, and then trim, and there it is. So now we have an image with distress and cracking effect. So if you want to add more, here's a button where you can add more distress. Let me show you. I'm going to make a copy in case I don't like it. So copy image, but let me show you. You can add distress here and it will add more distress to your artwork. So now the next thing we're going to do is find a black t-shirt PNG, and then we're gonna find one that's good for our mock-up or for our sample. So I think this one is good. So copy image, and then we're gonna, of course, we're gonna do paste, Control V, and there it is. Now let's turn this frame white. We're gonna send the mock-up to the back and bring the design to the front. Now let's make this smaller. And now you have a full design for your t-shirt here with the distress effect that you can advertise on your website or on your store. This template is free. You can use it. Again, if you want to use my software, let me know. I will give you the link so you can check it out. And yeah, this is it, and we're gonna download as a PNG or download as a JPG file. It's up to you. I'm gonna save it as a PNG, but of course I'm gonna turn this frame black, and I'm going to add my mockup or my t-shirt mockup a outline. So I'm gonna do white, and I'm just gonna go easy on the thickness. I like to start little just in case it's too much, but I think this is perfect. I can add one more, select the image and apply one more layer, and that's it. Now I can finally download this, and let's check out our mockup. There it is. There's the file with the design of for my t-shirt. So yeah, again guys, I invite you to like this video, also subscribe, and ask me for the link so you can check out my software. It is 100% free. The templates are also 100% free, and they're gonna be rotating, so this template's not gonna be available all the time. It depends on what's trending. I have more templates, you can check them out. I have a lot of religious templates. I have like Veterans Day templates, and I will be adding more, but again, just let me know in the comments if you want to use any of these templates for t-shirt design. So thank you guys again. Make sure you subscribe, like, and I'll see you in the next video.